Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Quick video. If you have a Brother LC75, LC71, and it is not cleaning, this is what you do. Tractor Supply, like $4, maybe not. Or like me, your kids' medical thing. Pop this open. There's a little thing in there. You can stick it around. I think this is like 1/8 tube, and you squish it out. See, I got some of the stuff in there, but I wasn't getting any ink, so I'm gonna show you what I was getting. This is what I was getting. Next to nothing. Now these are the after I squirted it in, and you got to play with it like back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So put a bunch of that in there. Came out pink. It's that. Then it was that. This is all the start. And then here comes the glory. Glory is this. In between it is this. And here is the glory. Now this printer has been sitting in the attic for about 2 or 3 years, but just a little bit of solution. Here's the solution. Your regular glass cleaner, dollar store, Walmart, pour it in there. Get you a little plastic bag like this. See, it leaked all out because I stuck it with the needle. And some isopropyl alcohol, the clear kind. And, about a cap full or 2 caps full in the bag. Squirt it in there. I'm not going to show you because you can pretty much look online, but it's a nozzle, no more than bigger than that. And you can squish this on. Do both of these, you should be good to go, and your printer will come out printing like this. So now you can print your business documents. Over, out.